In our last video, we did some OR probabilities based on some calculators that ACC keeps on hand to loan to students. This next set of two questions asks us to look at that data again, but this time is broken down a little differently. A student worker is hired to sort the inventory so that the working calculators are divided into two groups. Calculators in good condition and calculators that are in just okay condition. So these calculators in the last video were the ones that we would have called working. The damaged calculators, that column remains unchanged. The total number of calculators is unchanged. There are still 78 total calculators in this data set, but let's not take my word for it. Let's just double check. Just going row by row, adding the calculators together. 78 total calculators still in this data set. These two columns are the working calculators and then one column of damaged calculators. So this time we're asked for the probability that we select a good or okay calculator. Well, this is simply the probability that we select a calculator that will work, right? These are the ones that were in working condition before. So I just need to know the total number of good, the total number of okay, and those two categories don't overlap at all, so I don't have to worry about overcounting. 78 total calculators. In the good column, I have 24 plus 16 plus 5. In the okay column, I have 10 plus 2 plus 10 more. A total of 67 good calculators. 67 out of 78 is about 0.859. And so there's a probability of selecting a good or an okay calculator. In question number 2, I'm asked for the probability of a 36 or a calculator that is just okay. This time I do have to be worried about the overlap between the two different things I'm considering, because I can get a calculator that is a TI-36, or I could get a calculator that's just okay, and they overlap right here, so I need to be careful not to count these 10 calculators twice. Alright, well if I just add up the things with the green dots, I'll have counted everything I need to. 5 plus 10 plus 6 plus 2 plus 10. There's 33 total calculators that meet the condition of being a TI-36 or just okay, out of the total number of 78. 33 out of 78 comes to about 0.423. So there are these two more OR probabilities. If you want to, you can stop the video here. I'm about to stop the video here anyway, but you could go through and do these using the formal rule. You'll get the same two calculations.